The AquaPower project was born from us trying to tailor our product to suit a customer group that we had to turn away because the granule technology didn't fit there.
We worked and are very proud for our granule technology for over 35 years in the market, mainly focusing on the public sector, the big caterers, production kitchen, where the granule technology is the perfect one. But if you are a smaller setting, you have the need for flexibility, still an efficient way of doing the pot washing. We didn't saw a really good solution before. Hence we developed AquaPower, which is a very easy technology for doing very efficient pot and pan washing.
The AquaPower technology was about balancing water flow and water pressure.
We're optimizing how we use the water in terms of combining the perfect pressure, the volume of water, and where we direct it. So we're using it as a blastering technology, coming again from our granule technology. But with water you have to find the right combination of volume, pressure, and direction.
And that starts with the wash tank. The amount of water you have in a wash tank, the size of the pump that we chose, all the connecting pipes and hoses mattered to eventually get to your wash arms, where we have fixed wash arms, and that creates a stronger power. And then our special nozzles that create a very effective shape when the water comes in contact with the pots and pans.
The typical water-based pot washer today is using a bit higher pressure but still rotating arms. So you have to do all the scrubbing, the pre-soaking you still have to do even if you have a pot and pan washer. So what we have done is to make a high pressure. That means you have to fixate the goods so the high power can really go in and do its work and remove all the dirt. When studying the market, we saw so many commercial kitchens today that had a challenge with the pot and pan washing. They have a situation that is very dynamic, a lot of different type of customers, sometimes it's event, caterings. Still, I have typically small kitchens where they actually perform everything. And in many of those cases, there was no good solution for pot and pan washing. Typically, the customers there either do the pot and pan washing manually or using a water-based average common pot washer, which is not really working in the best way.
There were 3 categories of staining levels we found in a customer kitchen. The big bottleneck was actually in the middle category of staining. The medium stain category, this is typically pots and pans that you have on the stove top or in an oven. So you will say in the oven you'll be baking at temperatures between 200 to 220 degrees. Not extremely high, but it's the most common cooking temperature. Or on a stove top where you have a stock that's being reduced or a sauce, and there's quite a lot of staining on the sides of the pot. And that requires quite a bit of scrubbing before you can load it into a traditional type of washing equipment. With AquaPower, you can actually take away all these stains, medium stain, without any pre-washing.
Granule Power and AquaPower fits together in our portfolio because we now have a wider scope of use cases we cover. For the heavy-duty part and the big production kitchen, we have the granule technology. And for the medium kitchens with the flexibility needs, we have the AquaPower technology.
So our product, it's designed to help the customer reduce pre-washing, make it easy to use where kitchens have very high staff turnover, and gives the customer the desired wash result.